What's going on, everybody? John Egan with William Ravis Real Estate. We are just before sunset on a beautiful spring evening here in Naples. Between these gates, we have a perfect teardown opportunity for someone looking to build their perfect waterfront home. We're at 168 Channel Drive. This is a 80 by 120 lot, so just shy of a quarter acre. Single family home that can very easily be torn down and build your dream property. We're not going to spend a ton of time inside because, as you can imagine, it hasn't been lived in some time, but we want to show you the potential that it has. If you're the boat enthusiast, this is the perfect opportunity. You're looking at about 10-15 minutes up to Wiggins Pass. You do have one bridge, so you want to be conscious of the boat that you're going to buy. We can talk about that later, but something that we really are excited to show you. This property is listed with our good friend Terry Lynn Van Gorder. Our office is just down the street here, maybe a minute or two. But we want to show you just through the lanai here the incredible amount of water frontage that you have. You have beautiful new homes across the channel here, wide channel, so you can see some of the beautiful boats that are here. What's great is you can prop your beach chair out here on your deck, which you would probably rebuild this as well to catch the sunset that's just in the distance. You could also see La Playa. You know, you're really in the heart of everything here. All right, so those of you who aren't totally familiar with the Connors neighborhood, it consists of about 500 single family homes that are all right on the water. As you can imagine, lots are going to be totally different. Right now, you're gonna see the pricing for the active listings that are on the market from about $850,000 up to $6.9 million. Now, you're saying, John, that is a massive difference. You know, how does that happen? So there are 17 streets in Connors. You're going to have 14 that you would access from Vanderbilt Drive, and then you're going to have 3 that you would access from Gulf Shore Drive. The 3 from Gulf Shore Drive, you can walk straight down your street and you're going to have an entrance to get over to the beach, which is spectacular. So you really have the best of both worlds between having your boat right behind your house and you have the beach right down the street. You could also look at some lots if you really wanted to build. From there, you're looking at, again, about $850,000 up to $3.5 million. Again, those premiums are going to be based on where they're located. But right now, we're almost ready for sunset here. So why don't we head down to the beach and I can show you how close it is. All right, so that's all it took. Right now, we're at the end of the street. We're at Gulf Shore Drive and Channel Drive. All we had to do was walk 6 lots down the street. All right, so it looks like we're just on time to catch sunset. All right, so here we are, the beautiful Vanderbilt Beach. Just wanted to thank you guys again for coming along on this property tour today. If you could, please like, subscribe, and share our videos. If you want, feel free to enjoy sunset on your own. Have a good one, guys.